Good day, everyone. Today we'll be continuing further with the chapter Basic Concepts of Chemistry. In the last class, we were discussing about different types of chemical formula. So today we'll be discussing about how to find out empirical formula of a compound when its percentage composition is given. So let us see how to find empirical formula of a compound. So So we'll be discussing how to or method to find empirical formula of a compound when its percentage composition is given. Now what do you mean by percentage composition? Percentage composition represents percentage of each element which is present in the compound. Means a compound is made up of different elements. So what percent of each element is present in that compound is represented by percentage composition. So basically we'll be discussing some of the steps to find empirical formula from percentage composition, and then we'll see a question based on these steps. We will solve that question to obtain empirical formula from percentage composition. So steps to find empirical formula from percentage composition are, so the step first step is divide percentage of each element by the atomic mass of that element to obtain atomic ratio. What? Percentage of each element is divided by atomic mass of that element to obtain atomic ratio. So percentage of each element divided by atomic mass to obtain what? Atomic ratio. This is the first step. Now the second step, out of all the atomic ratios you have obtained by following step 1, select the smallest atomic ratio and divide all the atomic ratios by that smallest atomic ratio to obtain simplest ratio between the elements. So what we will do? Divide all atomic ratios by smallest atomic ratio to obtain what? To get simplest ratio between the elements. So if the simplest ratio is simplest whole number ratio, then means by up to this step you will get the empirical formula for the compound. But if the ratio you have obtained or the simplest ratio you have obtained is fractional, then you have to multiply all the ratios with a suitable smallest number to get simplest whole number ratios. Means if the simplest ratio comes out to be fractional, then you have to multiply all the ratios with a suitable smallest number to get the simplest whole number ratios. So these are basically some of the steps we will be following to obtain empirical formula from percentage composition of a compound. So let us see one question, or let us solve one question, and then we'll be clear about these steps. Let me rub this also so that I can. So the question says, calculate empirical formula of a compound containing 26.6% potassium, 35.4% chromium, and 38.1% oxygen. So kindly copy this question, we will be solving it. So we have to find the numerical formula of a compound containing percentage composition or whose percentage composition is such that 26.6% potassium, 35.4% chromium and 38.1% oxygen. So you should know the atomic masses of these elements. What is the atomic mass of potassium? Atomic mass of potassium is 39.1. What is atomic mass of chromium? Atomic mass of chromium is 52. What is atomic mass of oxygen? Atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So let us start the process to obtain empirical formula. So first we will divide the percentage of each element by its atomic mass. So let me solve this question in a tabular form so that it becomes clear to understand. So first we'll write the element, or we'll first prepare the table where first column will be element, then second column will be percentage, then third column will be atomic ratio, and then we'll form some more columns. So the first element is potassium. Let me write potassium. Potassium percentage is how much? 26.6. So how to get the atomic ratio? Atomic ratio is obtained by dividing percentage of that element by its atomic mass. So 26.6 divided by 39.1. Similarly, we will do for chromium. So for chromium, what is the percentage? For chromium, the percentage is 35.4. So percentage of chromium, that is 35.4 divided by its atomic mass, which is 52. And similarly, we will do for oxygen. Percentage of oxygen is 38.1. So percentage of oxygen divided by atomic mass. Now, what we are doing this to get the atomic ratio of that element. So atomic ratio of that element, on dividing this, you will get this as 0.68. Kindly do this and see. This also will be 0.68, and this will be 2.38 roughly. So we have got atomic ratios 0.68, 0.68 and 2.38. How we have obtained this? We have obtained this by dividing percentage of that element by the atomic mass of the same element. So now we will do what? After getting atomic ratios, select the smallest atomic ratio in them and divide all the atomic ratios by that smallest atomic ratio to get the simplest ratio. So smallest atomic ratio in these three is 0.68. So we will divide all the three by 0.68 to get what? To get simplest ratio. So simplest ratio is what? Simplest ratio is obtained how much? Simplest ratio. So 0.6 is the smallest atomic ratio. So 0.68, first one 0.68 divided by 0. Second one is also 0.68. So we will divide it by 0.68. The third atomic ratio is 2.38. So we will divide it by the smallest atomic ratio, that is 0.68. On dividing this, we will be getting simplest ratios as 1, 1 and this will be approximately 3.5. So we have got the simplest ratio, but we have to get the simplest whole number ratio. This is the simplest ratio, but in case of empirical formula, we have to obtain simplest whole number ratio. As you can see, this is a fraction, so we cannot report any element in empirical formula with fractional number of atoms. So to convert it into simplest whole number ratios, we have to multiply it with the least or with the smallest suitable number. So if I apply or if I multiply all these three with 2, we will get the smallest or we will get the simplest whole number ratio. So 1 into 2, 1 into 2 and 3.5 into 2. So the simplest whole number ratios come out to be 2, 2 and this will be 7. So the simplest whole number ratios between atoms, potassium, chromium and oxygen come out to be 2:7. So we have got the simplest whole number ratio, and in empirical formula, what is written? It is the simplest whole number ratio of the elements or the atoms of the elements present in a compound. So we have got the simplest whole number ratios. Now we can write the empirical formula. So empirical formula will be K2, Cr2 and oxygen 7 according to the simplest whole number ratios. So the kindly see this. So the simplest whole number ratio is 2:7. So the empirical formula for the compound can be written as now I am rubbing this one. So the ratio between potassium, chromium and oxygen was 2:7. So the empirical formula comes out to be K2Cr2O7. So this is the empirical formula for the compound whose percentage composition was given. So this way you can find empirical formula for any compound whose percentage composition is provided to you. So kindly practice some of the questions. Today we will keep it till here only. We will discuss about this topic, that is formula, in the next class. Thank you so much.